Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our interface video to be able to add backup camera by going to reverse. It shows the backup camera in a BMW 320. It's a 2014 and that's the Android Auto. Basically I connected to Android phone and it's Android Auto, and by using the knob I can navigate through the Android Auto, through the phone, and through all those features through Android Auto. And also I can go to music and play songs through Spotify and other apps. And also we add one microphone here to be able to use the voice command on Android Auto. By disconnecting the Android phone and connecting the iPhone to the screen, right now we can do Apple CarPlay. So I can use Google Maps, I can use Waze or any other apps that Apple CarPlay lets me to use it. And also if I connect the wire, the phone wires, and if I connect a USB stick, then I can play multimedia. So by disconnecting the USB, I connect right now the USB multimedia, so it shows me whatever files on that USB, and I can play video through that USB. And even if I go to drive, I still can watch.
Somebody just walk me through what we're supposed to be doing. Justin, you didn't think it could get any better, huh? Here we go.
If you're interested to get these type of interfaces, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.